Hi, in the previous class we have seen one of the important keyword, that is limit keyword, which is meant for the purpose of to restrict the number of rows at the output level. Okay, now in today's class we'll see the important generalized queries which are commonly asked at the interviews and at the gate level. So let's see the first one. Find the friend who is having least salary. Okay, guys, can you able to find the least salary from the among all the salaries? Yes, we can write, right? So I can able to use aggregate function, select min of salary from friend details. So with this query is going to produce the least salary from the all employees, right? So once you know the least salary, can you able to give that to the variable salary variable? If you are going to give it to the salary attribute or salary variable, can the query will produce their respective details? Select star from, assume that it's like a friend details as like as friends table, friend details where salary equal to, right? It is as much as simple as finding the maximum salary. So this query is going to produce the least salary that will be given to input to the salary, and it's going to get all the details, right? So here you have the friend details data. So can you able to find the list cell data? Yes. Select star from friend details where salary equal to, select min of salary from friend details. We got the least salaried person, right? His salary is 21,000 only among this salary, right? So guys, we can able to write it another way also with the help of limit command. Okay, try to observe. First what I will do now, I will try to sort the data sort the data in ascending order. When you try to sort the data in ascending order, you are going to get all employee salaries from least to highest. From that, least salary is available at which location? At the first location itself, right? Meaning that 0th index position itself, it is going to available. So I can write it as limit 1. I will write directly the query, select star from friend details, and I need to make it short, right? Order by, on the basis of salary. I want to have it in ascending order, so by default it is in ascending order only. And okay, so just check this. You are going to get least salary at the top level because we have taken the criteria as salary only. Now I want to produce only one record, so I can simply use limit 1. You got the same thing. Okay, fine. Let's go with the second one. So this is, we can able to write in two ways. So the second one is find the least 5 salaried friends, guys. So they may ask for find the least n salaried friends. So what you can do, which is you can simply take all the details of the employees based on the sorting order, based on the sorting order. Once you sort the data, can you able to print only top 5, which means that first 5 records means we can say that those are least 5 salary friends. Try to observe. Here we have this data. If I am going to make the limit 5 or something, limit 5 or like this, are you going to get the least 5 salary friends or not? Yes. So I will write select star from friend details. I need to make them sorted order by salary, and I am going to make it restrict by limit by 5. So table name is not existed showing. Observe. Have you got the same least 5 salary friends? Yes. If you ask for least 2 salary friends, you can be able to simply limit by 2. Like this, you can able to write the query. Next one, find the second least salaried friends. Least salary friends. So how can you do this, right? So if they are asking for first least salary friend, you can able to identify. Now they are asking for second least salary friend, right? So try to observe. Uh, so what we can do? So guys, can you able to identify? Can you able to identify first minimum salary from all the friends? Select min of salary from friend details. Yes, identify the minimum salary. Now if I am going to have actual data, if I am going to have actual data of salaries, actual data of salaries, and I have got the minimum salary as 21,000. If I am going to make it accept, what is that you are going to get? You are going to get all the details except 21,000, except 21,000, meaning that if you are going to place all the remaining records in the sorted order, again the first one is minimum salary or not? Yes. Or I can say that among the remaining things, can I able to find out again minimum salary? Yes. So that's the thing, right? So I am trying to write select min of salary from friend details where salary not in, salary not in. That's it, right? I am going to find out the minimum salary and I am going to remove that minimum, meaning that I am not going to check, right? Not in means what? Uh, like opposite to or case, right? So it is going to identify all the salaries which are not in minimum salary, and then from that I am going to print only minimum salary, right? Select min of salary from friend details where salary not in, select min of salary from friend details, right? So you got the same second highest salary, second least salary. Okay, fine. Now guys, you know, right? So we can write the any query in multiple ways. So this is one way of writing. So let's see with another way. So guys, in place of not in, I'll just make use of less than. Less than, if I make less than, what is going to happen, right? So it's the list salary is 21,000 and there are some list of salaries are there. If I make the comparison of less than, is there any record are you going to get? No, because this is itself is list salary, so you are going to get zero records, zero record. But what I required, I required the salaries which are more than this one. So you can simply use greater than operator. You are going to get some list of salaries now, some list of salary. Among these, you are going to again find out the minimum salary. Minimum salary. So that is the way you can able to write the second method. So what I can do now, in place of the same not in, I will just use relation operator greater than. Try to observe. Fine. Guys, we can able to write in another important way. See guys, so when we are trying to learn about Salesforce database, where we are trying to think about when somebody asks you to write the query for find out the sailors who are registered at least two boats, at least two boats. What you are trying to do, we are going to take two same boats. One is a reserves R1, another one is a reserves R2, and I'm going to check for its IDs first. R1 dot sailor ID is equal to R2 dot sailor ID, and R1 dot boat ID is not equal to R2 dot boat ID. Then can I say that they have registered at least two boats? Yes. The same kind of concept will work here. First, I will try to find the friend details data, self star from friend details. I am going to give alias name as F1, where 1 equal to, guys, I will try to explain. Select star or if I would like to count, I record only count of distinct salary from friend details as F2, where F1 dot salary is greater than F2 dot salary. This query is going to produce the second least salary. How means, see for example, let me take here the table friend details table as F1, the data is 50, 60 and 70 as you, right? And the another same duplicate data 50, 60, 70. Here what it is trying to do, the table name is F1 and this table name is F2, F1 and F2. What the inner query is trying to do, inner query is going to do, it is going to take the first table salary 50 and is going to compare with the second table salary. Is 50 is greater than 50? No. Is 50 is greater than 60? No. 50 is greater than 70? No. So the count will be get for the 50 is 0. Similarly for 60, 60 is greater than 50? Yes. 60 is greater than 60? No. 60 is greater than 70? No. So count will be here, it is 1. And 70, is 70 is greater than 50? Yes. 70 is greater than 60? Yes. 70 is greater than 70? No. You are going to get the count as 2. So meaning that if you get the count as 0, can I say that this is the first least salary employee? Yes. If I say that 1, if I say that you got the count as 1, count as 1 means, can I say this is the second least salaried employee? If I say that 2, can I say that this is the third least salaried employee? Yes. So based upon this concept, how I have written the 1. 1 means here, now they are asking for second least salaried employee. That's it. If they are asking for third least salaried employee, you have to write the condition as where 2 equal to, you have to write the same query again. Let's see with execution also, right? So select star from friend details as F1, where 1 equal to select count of distinct salary from friend details as F2 guys, as F2, where F1 dot salary should be greater than F2 dot salary, right? So table name is not existed at I think we did mistake with the table name. Yes. We got guys, the second least salary is 23,000. So first least salary is 21, second least salary is 23,000. This is another way of writing the query. Okay, if they're asking for like nth least salary, you can just simply make use of n minus 1, right? For example, they're asking for fifth least salary, then what you can write here as 4. That's it. Thank you.